What's good, YouTube? I hope you're doing fantastic. I'm jacobcrypobury. We're going to explore Algorand today, one of the sleeping giants that everyone just forgets about as we enter a lugubrious bear market. And yeah, it's still here to stay. It's ranked 29. Don't forget about this project, guys, because in the bull markets, it goes wild. $2.8 billion market capital at the moment. So if you like Algorand, let me know down in the comments. Leave a like on this video. Let me know how much you love Algorand, because if you're a legacy holder, you know why it's good to be bullish on this project. So let's have a look at what's happening on the price structure side of things. We're just going to hop straight into the technical analysis, to be honest, because I think it's looking really good. We're on the weekly time frame at the moment, and we will flip to the daily in a moment. But what I want to really point out is, let's look at where we're trading. Now, I don't truly think that Algorand will come back to 0.29 or even 0.15 ranges, because when we were last basically trading between that range of 0.28 and $0.14, it was when the COVID-19 crypto crash commenced. Of course, an anomalous event which created crazy amounts of fear in the market, and that's what all of this here is. So I think this range is very much anomalous, and Algorand was never meant to come down to this level here. It was never meant to come down to this level here. Bitcoin was never meant to go down to $4,000. It was just an extraneous event that occurred and basically obliterated the entire cryptocurrency market. So what I really think is probably more pragmatic is actually the bottom for this particular cycle. It could be around the 0.35 mark. Well, to be fair, 0.27. So anywhere around here, basically. This range between 0.27 and of course the 0.35, because we already did put through a bottom there on the 12th of May with the Terra Luna FUD. So that's what I'm looking out for. I don't think this accumulation range will ever come back, but I do think what is a good accumulation range is effectively where we are trading now, and also right just below, so anywhere in there as well. This is some nice buying zones. This one here is probably not going to happen, but if we do see more downside activity, that's when I'm going to be looking to hoard more Algorand, even though the price is already looking really good. So if we see what happened from March 27 on the fib retracement, we did lose that 0.786 support level at 70 cents, and the reason that was such a big level of support is because of all these capitulation wicks where we just saw so much buying pressure in May, in June, in July. That $0.7 was a very sensitive price area. So now I see this as is another supply phase, an accumulation range, just like these swing lows here, swing high, swing low. You see this, they look very similar. This was a supply phase of a solid, let's have a look, info line. This took 119 days, just trading sideways there. This particular supply phase was 126 days. So I'd expect a similar amount of time trading sideways here. Maybe even 100 days. You know, 100 days, so maybe in August 2022, we get that bounce to the resistance of $0.7. So basically my July, August, September price target for Algorand is about 70 cents, because what I think will happen is we'll get another cup, we'll trade, we'll get bounced off of that 70 cents resistance right there. So effectively it will look something like this as well. We get rejection and probably see more downside continuation as we push through the crypto winter, because let's be honest, the bull market is not coming back anytime soon, but you can still make money in these bear markets, guys, by scooping up the extreme fear. So that's exactly what I think is going to happen for this particular project here. On the daily time frame, you know, things are looking rather nice as well. What I'm looking out for is basically oversold positions. We were oversold a few times, as you see back in April, also in May, but a lot of people are just holding Algorand. There's not a massive amount of volume, which is pretty good, because you don't want people just panic selling too dramatically either, so that would be quite bad. So if we did look at that August time to actually hit this $0.7 level, it would also make sense on a time scale thing, because look at these two resistances on the diagonal resistance. That does take us to 19th of August, where this resistance line here crosses over with the diagonal resistance. So yes, I am very, very bullish on the short-term action of Algorand. And if we look at what's happening at the moment, just over here, we can see we put through a nice double bottom position. Actually, it's a bit of a triple bottom. So effectively, we've got a lot of bullish momentum occurring here for Algorand. I hope you can see this. I know this rectangle is kind of in the way. But what's happening right now is a really juicy looking bullish chart pattern, guys. So keep an eye on this one for Algorand. I'm just going to join this up. Bear with me. There it is. So extremely bullish. We're putting through a lot of swing lows, but the lows are becoming higher each time, and that really does excite me. You can see right here, looking really good. So the price target for Algorand on the breakout side of things here in the short-term price analysis is going to be taking us to at least $0.49 on a breakout. If we lose support, then maybe we're going to come back down, trading around the 0.37 or the 0.36 price level. Even the 0.35 level could be somewhere where we retrace back to. But this is looking bullish. This is a nice double bottom here, and I'm very excited to see what the future of Algorand is going to be, because the protocol is not going anywhere, guys. It's here to stay. And my trading view has frozen on me again. Don't know why I'm paying these guys money, man. It's really, really annoying. Gonna have to refresh this. Bear with me, guys. Not gonna cancel the video or nothing. Where's our Algorand? So it's probably not saved anything I did, or did it? Not all of it. Bit annoying. Anyhow, that's what we're looking at. The breakout of this ascending triangle with a nice juicy double bottom within it. So do get ready for an impulse to the upside for Algorand. Take profit zones around $0.45 and also 0.47, as Algorand is most likely going to pump very, very soon. Algorand is still really strong, 281.5k followers, and we can see they've got their massive event in Dubai at the end of the year. So keep an eye on that one, because that's going to be a really, really big marketing and PR event as well. Looking at the TVL side of things, Algorand isn't one of the highest rankers, but we are ranked 26, and the protocol does have $188 million currently locked in. So are you bullish on Algorand? Are you buying today, tomorrow, next week? If you do want to grab some Algorand, guys, use the link down in my description below for the best rates, best and safest exchange, SciSec, FCA accredited, so you can also keep your cryptocurrency safe. I don't know why my voice just went like that. Anyways, this is what's happening with crypto rank. We can see at the moment on the 1 day, we're getting a little bounce for many of our projects. Bitcoin is up a little bit, ETH is up a little bit, BNB is up, but on the weekly market cap, everything is still looking a bit, well, a bit wrecked, to be fair. So are we going to, pump? Are we going to see Bitcoin hit 35k, or are we going to plummet back down to 30k? Who truly knows right now? All I can say is Bitcoin is trading in a very sensitive range. When we look at our daily time frame over here, we are sitting between 31k and 29.3k at the moment. And if we do lose the support here for Bitcoin, I do predict that we will see continuation down to the 200-week moving average, taking us to about $22,000 level. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to the channel, do subscribe. I will stick around through the bear markets and help you navigate the tumultuous waves of crypto. I want to help you make money, generate wealth, like I also want to as well. Make sure you also hop into my Discord channel. Come say hello. It's just over here. And yeah, about 270 people in it, like-minded people. So come say hello to all of us. Get yourself down in the Telegrams, learn to trade, and also the B2C crypto news and insights. Stay up to date with the latest trends. You don't want to miss out on this market news. Things move quickly, and we're here to make some money. So anyway, stay crypto safe. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.